Hi, have you ever wondered why heavy loaded vehicles are swept away by fast running water in a river during the rain season? Some simple facts about tires that make a vehicle need to be revisited. One, the vehicle is made up of tires that got tubes in them. Inside the tubes, we have air which is inflated, meaning it's air under pressure. On road or on tarmac, the vehicle has its weight well rounded on the wheels. Need not to worry. But if the vehicle is moving over water and also around bridges and rivers, the following need to be known. One, the rubber and the tube that make the tire and the tube is lighter than water. You also need to know that the air that is inflated in the tube is also lighter than water, which means it's also likely to float. The situation is even worsened if the vehicle is over running water because the pressure is even reduced. I thought you need to know this. Thank you.